Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Wallos on Dockge. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home labs, or installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So, let's get back to your registered programming. So this is what we'll be installing today, Wallos. It's an open source personal subscription tracker. It can track subscriptions. It has category management, multi-currency support, currency conversion through a Fixer API, and then a data privacy, customization, sorting options, logo search, the mobile view, so you can be on the go, statistics, notifications, and it's multilingual. So this makes it to where you can easily track when the subscriptions are coming up, like a monthly, yearly, different things like that. So that's what will be installed today. So now I'm going to start on Big Bear Video Assets. There will be linked on the YouTube description to get to this. I'm going to go over there to search and type Wallos, and then now how to install Wallos on Dockge, and then the Docker Compose. So version 3.0 of Docker Compose file format is being used. I'm going to set some services, and the first service underneath the services is called Big Bear Wallos. And then the container name is going to be called Big Bear Wallos. This is a custom name, so Docker doesn't have to randomly generate a name. And then the image is coming off of Docker Hub by default because there's no year before this. This is the Docker image. This is the Docker image tag. Ports are 8282 on the host. If this does collide with another port on your host, you can change it. And then on the container is 80. So do not change the container's port. The environment variables are the time zone. So you can change this to your own time zone, but right now it's set to UTC. Volumes down here. So Big Bear Wallos DB, that is a local volume that's defined down the bottom. And then on the container is var www and then HTML DB. This path is on the containers path. And then so Big Bear Wallos logos is a local volume that's defined down the bottom right here. And then var www HTML images uploads logos. This is a container path. And then restart unless stop. So that means if you stop it for any reason, it will not try to restart. But if it fails or any other reason, then it will try to restart. And then the volumes are defined down here. So now I'm going to go up here to copy raw file. I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to go over to my Dockge and get this installed. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm going to start on my Dockge. I'm going to go to Compose, and then stack name is Wallos stack. And then now I'm going to go over here to the editor. I'm going to paste in the Docker Compose that I explained over in Big Bear Video Assets. Now I'm going to go up here to deploy. So what this done is it downloaded the Docker image off the registry, got it extracted, got it up with Docker Compose underneath. It also, this does use the Docker engine, and it also created the volumes. So we got it up and running. So now I'm going to go over the Dockge UI. So on the homepage, you'll get statuses up here of active, exited, and inactive. This is just quick statuses of your stacks over here. So I'm going to go into the stack. So now you see the actions up here. So you can go into edit. And the first one is you can add a service underneath the services. There we go. I just added inject service underneath the services right here. So you can go and edit it, and you can add an image, and it'll update over in the editor over here. You can delete it. You can add URLs. You can set environment variables. You can define networks, internal and external. You can also go up here to actions. You can deploy, save the changes, stop and inactive, and then discard the changes. You can restart the stack. You can update the containers. on the stack, stop and stop it inactive, and then delete the stack. You can also go and see the containers right here. So you can see the Docker image and the version, and you can see the bash right here. So you can go into it, and then you can go to sh. Oh, there we go. And then you can go back to the stack. You can see the ports right here. So you can click it and then go into the UI. And you can come down here and see the logs. This is great for debugging. You can see a read-only version of the Docker Compose over here. And if you want to edit the Docker Compose, you just go up and edit like we did before. So that's a little bit about the Dockge UI. So now we're going to show the UI. So I'm going to go into the stack and then go to this port right here. So now you're going to need to put a username in and an email in. You're going to need to put a password in and then confirm the password down here. Now you're going to have to put your currency in and your language register. So now you're going to have to put that information in again, the username and the password. And then now you can say stay logged in if you want to. So we're in here now. So you don't have subscriptions yet. So you can add one. So you can put a subscription name in. And then you can put a price in. And then you can choose your billing cycle. You can, if it's going to renew daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So you can put your next payment in. So first, and then you can see your payment method down here. So you can put one in. You can see categories. And then you can say it's paid by admin. You can put your URL in here, a notes, and you can also disable the subscription here. You can also upload a logo for it. So you can save. And now it's in there, and you can see that there's no category. And then you can go back in and edit it, and you can disable it if you want to. And then you can re-enable it. You can also go up here and do a new subscription again. You can do sorting, and you can come up here to go to the description, which we already are on. You can go to statistics up here, and you can go to the settings, and then you can see all the settings right here. There's quite a few. So, and also you can export a JSON of the description. So you can see the about. You can log out completely. So that's a little bit about the Wallos UI. So I just went over everything to get you started with using Wallos on Dockge. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.